Okay, friends, so I need a light. I need a light for detailing. I need a light for working on projects, and I didn't want to spend like $300 for a expensive detailing light. So I went more economical. This is made by Husky. I bought this from Home Depot, and this is like $74.95. Compared to $300 some, I think this is a much better deal. So why did I choose this brand and over another brand? Because I looked around, they had different brands at other stores. This one, I think I like this one because, first of all, what's important when you're detailing cars is you know the color temperature of the light that you're using. This one is at 5070, which is daylight. So it's equivalent to being like, noon is a little brighter than that, 5200 I think, but 5000 is in the daylight range. When you start getting to 3000, it's a little bit warmer. You're not getting the same type of color as you would at high noon if the car was parked outside. And you want to be able to at least have a 5000 Kelvin scale light, because that's just pretty much standard. Alright, so let's find out what's in here. So what I always do is I always say, hey, let me find the box that looks least damaged. And this box is brand new. They pulled it out of this. They got it on a ladder. I got this from a bigger box, and I found this box, which looked way better. Okay, so obviously this should have been here, but it wasn't. Okay. Alright. Lights in here. Okay. That's it. Nothing else in the box. And this is not a sponsored video. So this is the main unit right here. But why really get this brand light, this Husky brand? And because there's so many choices, you know, like why should I pick this brand over another brand? Who do I talk to? Who do I trust? So I can tell you this much. I've been watching Brian's videos from Apex Detailing, and I noticed that he had one of these lights. And so I said, you know what? I like Brian's YouTube channel. I like what he does on his channel. So I'm going to try out the light that he uses. So that's a cool thing. If you like someone's channel, it means that, hey, they're doing something that interests you. So, let's see how this light is. Because if Brian chose this light, and I like the way he introduces equipment and new product development, new products, I'm going to try this light. Alright, so there is an instruction manual, very short here. Okay, it talks about the tripod. Okay, this would be called draft. It'll slide out this way when you make a mold. That's draft. Let's take this out. This might be a sit-down job right now, but later on I'll be crawling on the ground trying to get some exhaust bolts loosened up on the van. So I'm going to need a light. Okay. This one's come out of here like that. Alright. So this is the tripod. Snap it right there. plastic's kind of difficult to get out. Kind of messy. That's alright. I'm gonna be full of grease later on, dirt crawling around underneath that truck. Just looking at the design right now, I'm studying the manufacture of it. Seems fairly decently made. These rivets. Oh, I got one rivet. One rivet right here. Is that rivet gonna hold up? The other ones look like they're really in. That one, see the difference? That one to that one. So, see if we get the focus right here. Focus, come on. Alright, well, it's not focusing, but hopefully it holds together. We'll do it like this. We're more interested in the light at this point. Tripod is one issue. Let's check out the light. Okay, so it's got these barn doors. Well, I don't know if they call them barn doors, but alright. And got a nice on and off switch back here. Here's the on and off switch. Right there. This is made out of metal. And it, like a heat sink. This here on this side, I don't know if it's plastic or metal. Take a magnet to it. Let's see. Nope. It's not. Could be aluminum. Could be aluminum for cooling. Okay, so now time to plug it in. So the cool thing about this light is I can use this light for filming. Yeah. And it has varying degrees of openness. Does it go up and down? Nope, it's only east and west. It doesn't go this way. Don't want to break it. So I'm going to plug it in right now. Make sure that's off. Okay, it's plugged in. Turn it on. Oh yeah. Wow, that's bright. That's really bright. Wow, that's super bright. That's like, I like this bright. Oh man, that is, you can't get any brighter than that for. That's pretty bright. That's a nice bright. And well, let's see the detail and the buffing. Yeah, right there, it'll show it. So, this is a pretty bright light. And it's daylight brightness. 5072 Kelvin. 5070 Kelvin. So, there you go. If you need a light for detailing or a light for working on stuff, this one you can put it on the ground or you can put it on the tripod right up there and use it so you can see. Alright, have a great day everyone. I'm going to get back to work. Yeah, finally can see. Let's put it this way. There. And let's cut. My eyes are like, got the, and watch your eyes. Yeah. Nice. I like the switch too. The switch is a good feeling switch. It actually has like a rubber protecting on it. Yep. Pretty instant. instantaneous too. And it's pretty stable. Well, it's pretty stable. It bounces on its own without back thing to help it. Oh yeah, you can even tilt it back like this. Oh yeah, like that. That's nice. Then you gotta be careful about the cord, because the cord gets really curved. So, this is good. Yeah, like that. Alright. Thanks again. And I'll turn this off. And that is the Husky light. Okay. And I normally don't like to advertise, so I'm probably gonna magic marker that black. Unless, Husky, you want to send me a bunch of stuff. This video's on me. There you go. That's it right there. And I'll give it a try out. Check it out, this tool, for a little bit. See if it holds up. What's the warranty on it? Okay, the warranty is, it's got a 3-year warranty. Okay, that's pretty decent. It's got a 3-year warranty. All right. Thanks again for watching.